which of the following are correct for zero order reactions? So I actually don't have a question that's given here. So I might just have to look at the solution for me to solve this here. But I can just but what the solution says here, because I'm not giving a question here, it says which of the following, and I don't have anything. So I'm just going to let me just check the solution to see what they're doing here. So this is about for zero order reactions. So it says here, a zero order reaction has a constant rate that is independent of the concentration of the reactants. The rate law is simply rate equals K. So this is correct, right? So when we're saying the rate here, which is simply just R, equals, we know there's a rate constant times some type of concentration. We can say it's X or Y here. And X or Y here. And these are going to be the reactants. So X and Y are the reactants. And in a zero order reaction, our R is simply just equals to K because it is independent of the concentrations here. The exponents here are simply 0. So if I add those up again, if you take anything to the power of 0, it's simply just 1, right? So you get K times 1 times 1, which is simply just equal to K here. So it's independent of the concentration. So it does not rely on these concentrations of my reactants for the rate to progress. So rate simply just equals K. So this solution here is correct. So it says, unlike the other orders of reaction, zero order reaction has a rate that's independent. That's good. So if I increase or decrease the concentrations of X or Y, it does not affect the reaction rate. So this solution here is correct. And that's simply what and that's kind of what the definition of a zero order reaction is. It's just independent of the concentrations of the reactants. And even if you increase or decrease the amount of concentration, you can't affect the reaction rate. It's simply just dependent on this K value here. So the solution is correct. It's a good analysis as well. And you could read on as well, but that's kind of the general gist of what a zero order reaction is as well.